Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and the tech zone. Today I bought one new camera. This is full package. I could not show you proper open box. Sorry guys, because I opened already and I checked out what is the different. And also I bought two stand different, uh, you know, good quality. But why I bought two stand? Because this is adjustable. You can adjust for every iron. You can fix and hold it like this in everywhere, and here also adjustable. You can change in any direction. Because I bought to stand, uh, it's better to I should not go away from my topic. Okay guys, I bought new camera DJI Osmo Pocket 2. But maybe you will ask why I bought the DJI Osmo Pocket 2. Still, Osmo Pocket 3 is available in the market in new generation. This is one old generation little bit. Because I bought this. One was the reason it's a little cheap than almost half of the price of the half of price of the Osmo Pocket 3, but it's still working very properly. I bought creator package, creator combo package, and here everything is available. You can see it's working proper, no doubt. And also because I bought this is a creative package, they have a wireless also, wireless head mic. Wireless mic, windshield is here fixed. You can take it out of windshield and good quality you can record. This wireless mic, it's connected in this adjustable area. When you buy the creator package, sorry guys, I have to take out, I will show you. When you buy the creator package of the Osmo Pocket 2, you will get this with mic, because without this you cannot connect any wireless mic in the DJI Osmo Pocket 2. Maybe in Osmo Pocket 3 same thing. That's way. And when you buy this, if you want buy just Osmo Pocket 2, here come with these two thing. You can connect here like this, and you can connect this one. You can mount in the tripod, and also with this camera comes something lenses. I will show you. I fix it everything in this side because you have to fix. They will give you one 0.75x to 15 mm wide angle lens. It's very good, around the 10 to 15%. He will make a wide video than without lens. And also you have the two small gadget connector. You can connect. This is type C, and this is type not type C, lightning for old model of the iPhone. Those iPhone is in the 14th generation or 13th generation. Those iPhone was using lightning port, and new iPhone using the type C. But still, for both of them you can use. And where you can fix this adjustable small gadget, they will come with creator packet, yani creator combo package of the DJI Osmo Pocket 2. You can release. Here is one joystick. It's give you very good control for videography and photography. And you can like this. You can take out this joystick and fix the type C lightning or type C. Sorry, I could not show you how I can adjust because I'm already recording my video by my phone. If I adjust here, then I cannot show you. And after this time, I will try to record by this camera. Look, guys, proper adjust it like this, and you can connect in your phone, and you can control very good, and you can record very good video. And this camera have a very good mic. When you want to use outside of room or inside, they can record very clear voice, as I said you. By this thing, this have a very good quality and give you very good thing in the your camera. I will show you. This camera inbuilt have a three mic. One is here, one is in backside, and one is here. Three mic they have. And but they have not any 3.5 milli jack for mic or for earphone. That's why when you buy the creator combo, you can connect like this thing. Then they have a speaker. This camera have not speaker inbuilt, but in this creator combo package, this attachable come in the attach in the down. They have a speaker, aux cable area for 3.5 millimeter jack, and also types. You can sorry, mountain area. You can connect your tripod like this. Very good. You can use like this, and you can use as a what you say, stick for selfie or blogging. Very good. And also you can adjust the mic, speaker, type C. You can charge already in the during using also. And I will give you answer why I bought this thing. So this is the lens. Look, attachable, magnetic. Give you little wide angle lens, and you can take very easily without nothing. Around the 10 to 15% he will give you difference and wider view. Why I buy this thing? I will give you answer. Because right now I bought this camera in India from because in India this thing just camera is 25,000, and I will compare, and I will show you how much dollar it will be. And if you I bought the creator package, it's come around 35,000 without this two tripod. This also everyone more than 1,000 cost. I'm not talking about this, but just I bought around 35,000 this camera. They will give you one good cable, two type C, two type A. You can in the one time charge your camera and charge your wireless. This also using the type C, and this also using the audio jack. Look, when you want why this use audio jack. As I searched, I didn't use myself actually. When you want record the video in the same time, this is my earphone, white earphone. You can fix this area, your jack, and you can put the here, for example, like this. Maybe you guys have a good earphone, but I'm showing just as a showing. During the shooting, you can already hear your voice also. Your mic is recording good or not, there have any noise or not. Also you can hear and you can record this voice in the camera. This is very good thing. And this getting the charge from type C. And as I said you, this cable you can charge in the same time your Osmo Pocket 2 and your mic. Reason was I bought this Osmo Pocket 2 because I could not buy that Osmo Pocket 3. There is some negative point also have if I compare with Osmo Pocket 3. As you see, I will show you. Osmo Pocket 2 have a small display. Now, rather than thing is same, And also this camera Osmo Pocket 2 is capable to record 4K till 60 frames per second. But Osmo Pocket 3 they capable to record 4K to 120 frames per second. And Osmo Pocket 3 have a little small lens than Osmo Pocket 2 in according to the lens, and little good quality. And Osmo Pocket 3, as I will show you in the video footage, screen is rotatable. This is fixed screen, but reason was the price, because I have not enough budget. That way I bought this thing for 35,000 around. If I was going to buy a creative package of the if I was going to buy creative package of the Osmo Pocket 3, they was around 70,000, 65 to 70,000. And only camera of the Osmo Pocket 3 is around 50,000 rupees. And I will show you everything in the dollar also. Okay, this was my comparison. And if you have any question, any suggestion, then put in comment below. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe the channel, because I'm going to start in journey, in YouTube journey, and this is my second. It will be second video, and I will try to improve my skills and recording video also. Uh, if you like to know how you can use how to use this Osmo Pocket 2, then tell me in the comment section. I will record one specific video for how you can use, how you can connect this Osmo Pocket 2 in the phone, in the tablet, or in your laptop. You can use this thing as a webcam in your laptop or computer also. It's very good thing. They can connect in your phone with adjustable type C, and also you can connect in your phone with this cable type C in your phone or your computer or tablet, anywhere. And more than more, you can connect this camera with Wi-Fi in your tablet, phone, or laptop, or anything PCs. You can use it as a very good quality webcam. And he have a tracker. Everywhere you see, he will track your eyes and your face. He will not uh, take you a very good video. Thank you so much, guys, till here. Because of the giving me motivation, please like the channel and subscribe. If you have any question, suggestion, put in the comment below. Thank you so much. Till the next video. Bye.